Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, South Berwick, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the best choice for professional moving services for a stress-free relocation to South Berwick. You may want to attempt a local move independently, but hiring a professional to handle the move is better for you. Our team of experienced movers will ensure that your local move is handled with care and professionalism. For a smooth and hassle-free long-distance relocation to South Berwick, it is strongly advised to seek the help of professional movers. Long-distance moves can be complex and challenging, making it very stressful for individuals if they decide to handle it. This is why you should hire experts to handle the move for you. Our dedicated team of professionals will meticulously manage every aspect of the moving process, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience. The safety of your belongings is one of the essential things when it comes to moving. We know how important that it is to 3 Movers, so we provide efficient inventory management to customers who might need to make use of it for their move. At 3 Movers, we use the inventory system to track your belongings and ensure everything is secure. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South Berwick moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.